Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious Western style breakfast tortilla pizza. So let's get started. Yeah, for the main ingredients to make our delicious Western style breakfast pizza, we have here a Bristol hickory smoked ham. It's 16 ounces, and we're going to go ahead and probably use half of that and cube it up, And up here we have a green bell pepper. It's a half a green bell pepper. Back here we have a half of a red bell pepper. And all the way back here we have a yellow onion that we're going to slice up. Probably only going to use half. And we have one nice green onion that we're going to slice up. And back here we have two nice large eggs. And up front here we have a cup and a half of cheddar cheese. Yeah. And back here we have about a cup and a half of mozzarella cheese that we're going to use. Yeah, this is loaded with cheese here. Okay, now all we have to do is slice up our vegetables and get ready to start cooking. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, let's put some of this aside for later. Okay, let's just go ahead and slice up our green bell pepper here. Yeah. Boy, that knife is still nice and sharp, and we sharpened it with our any sharp knife sharpener. Yep. Okay, we'll go ahead and put them in a bowl. Okay, and we'll take our nice yellow onion here and we'll go ahead and cut the bottom off here. Alright, and we'll cut the bottom off there. Alright. Okay, let's just go ahead and slice this in half, our nice onion, and we'll save this part, and we'll go ahead and slice this up, Let's turn it around. All right. Okay, now we're going to chop these up a little bit finer. Okay, that's good. And we'll put them in the bowl. Okay. Okay, let's put this aside for a minute. And we'll go ahead and slice up our nice red bell pepper here. It's a half a nice red bell pepper. We'll just go ahead and slice it up. Okay, we'll put them in a bowl. Okay, they look good. Okay, let's put them aside. Okay, let's go ahead and chop up our nice green onion. Boy, that's got some big leaves on there. Look at them. All right, let's just cut it up. Cut the bottom off just in case. And we'll cut that right in half. And we'll bring that up here. And we'll chop all this up at one time, like, you know. Now you don't have to cut these up too fine. Leave some of them kind of big, you know. Okay, they look good. And we'll go ahead and put them in a little bowl. Okay, let's put our green onions aside. And we'll take our nice smoked ham, yep. And we'll go ahead and slice up maybe half of this. Okay, that ought to do it. Okay, let's stack them up. And we'll cube these up. We'll just go ahead and cut through them like this. Okay, and then we'll turn them sideways and we'll go ahead and cut them up. Okay, they look good. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in a bowl. Okay, there's our nice smoked ham all chopped up. Let's put that aside. And we don't need our cutting board anymore, so we'll take that away. Now we're gonna go ahead and take a bowl and we're gonna crack some eggs in there. 2. And we're going to go ahead and take our seasonings and put them in our eggs. It's a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, yep, a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. And in the middle here we have a 1/2 teaspoon of parsley flakes. Yep, we're going to put them right in there. And we're going to go ahead and beat them up. Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and take our vegetables, you know, our red and green bell peppers and onions, and we're going to mix them up and we're going to put about 1/2 of them in there. Let's mix them up. Okay, let's put 1/2 in. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and put some of our cheddar cheese in there. Yep. Just a little bit. Okay. And a little bit of our mozzarella cheese. And we'll go ahead and mix that up. Now we want this kind of thick, you know. Boy, that looks good enough to eat right now, like a salad. Okay. Okay, now we're going to add a little bit of our chopped ham. We'll put about 1/2 of that in. Okay. And we'll mix it in. Okay. Okay, now all we have to do is build our pizza and start cooking. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, to build our delicious Western style breakfast pizza, we're going to use our griddle here, and we're going to go ahead and coat it with a little bit of oil. We use our oil sprayer, and we'll take a large tortilla and we'll put it right in the middle. Just like that. And we'll get our egg mixture with our onions and ham and peppers and onions, and we'll put that right in there with the cheese. Yeah, we'll put that right on top of there, just like that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and spread that around. Okay, that looks good. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add more cheese on top. Yep, this is our cheddar cheese. We'll put that on there. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add some of our mozzarella cheese on there. Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and add just a little more of our vegetables on top. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of our ham on top of that. And we're going to go ahead and put a little more mozzarella cheese on top of that. Yeah. And a little bit more of our cheddar. There you go. Okay. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to put that in a preheated 400-degree oven for 10 minutes. And then we're going to pull it out and we're going to add some more stuff to it. Yeah. Let's do it. Let's put it in the oven. Okay, here it is, guys. It's been 10 minutes in the oven. Boy, doesn't that look good? Yeah. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to add 4 more eggs. Yeah. But we're going to have to make a little pocket for it because the cheese is up about 1.5 inches. So we'll just go ahead and make little pockets for it. We'll just put a little divot there and maybe a little divot here. And a little divot here. And one here. Better make that one a little deeper. Okay, there you go. Beautiful. Now we're going to crack some eggs. We'll put them right in there. Okay. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add a little more cheese. Yep. Okay, that about finishes up our cheese. A little bit more mozzarella cheese. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and put some of our vegetables on top. Just to make it look nice, you know. Okay. That's all the vegetables on there. Wow. And we're going to go ahead and put the rest of our ham on top. Yep. Wow, this is really getting big. What else is new, right? Yeah. All right. And we'll just put a few of our green onions on. Because that was a big green onion. Okay, that's it. Let's put that back in the oven for another 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's do it. Okay guys, here it is. Look at that, would you? Man, is that nice looking or what? There you have it, our delicious Western style breakfast pizza. And boy, is that loaded with toppings. It's loaded with cheese, loaded with ham, yeah, and loaded with eggs. Yeah, Okay guys, this really does look good and it smells even better. I can't wait to get into that. Boy, that looks tasty. Okay, let's go ahead and have a taste because I can't wait. It smells really good. Alright, let's do that. We'll have a taste. Okay guys, here it is. Wow, doesn't that look good? Yeah. Well, there's 4 eggs on top of there and this is loaded with cheese. There's 3 cups of cheese on there, a cup and a half of mozzarella, and a cup and a half of cheddar cheese, yeah. And about half a pound of chopped ham is in there with all those onions and bell peppers and everything. Boy, does this smell good. This will definitely feed a family of 4 right here. No question whatsoever. Yeah. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of oregano on there. Not much, just a little bit. Okay. And a little bit of parsley flakes. Just a little bit. Okay. Well, there you have it, guys. Boy, does this look good. And it smells really good. So I can't wait to have a taste. So let's get into it and we'll cut it up and have a piece. Okay, I think I'm going to just go down through here this way. Okay. And we'll go this way. Okay, I tried to let it cool a little bit so I could possibly pick it up, but I'm going to need a spatula, I think, to get under there. Yeah, okay. Let's give it a shot. Okay, here we go. Wow, look at that. Can you see it? It's loaded with cheese. Loaded with bell peppers, onions, and loaded with flavor. Yeah. Okay. Let me just go ahead and try to pick it up. Look at the cheese coming off. Alright. Let me go ahead and try to pick this up. Okay, there it is. Boy, doesn't that look good? Alright, let me have a bite. Oh yeah. Boy, is that tasty. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but that egg is still soft. See it? Okay. Let me put that right up top here where you can see it. Boy, is that tasty. You're just going to love these. And it definitely will feed 4. Yeah, because each one of those slices will feed 1 person, no problem whatsoever. So there you go. A delicious Western style breakfast pizza. And it is loaded with toppings, loaded with flavor, and loaded with ham. Yeah, boy is that smoked ham good. I had a little bite on this end here. It was really tasty. Yeah, I might just have to have another little bite. And I might show you just how runny those eggs still are, you know. Yeah, let me see if I can pick it up. And I'll show you just maybe how runny those eggs still are. You ready? Let me see if I can do it for you. See it? Beautiful right there. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Wow, that really does taste good. With all that cheese that's in there, yeah, you can't beat this for breakfast. Probably even for a nice lunch. Yeah, with all that ham in there, yeah. Okay guys, you know what'll go good with this since I'm eating it for breakfast? A nice large cup of coffee. That sounds good. Yeah, and you better invite some friends over because this is a lot to eat, you know. And I better serve it up like right now while it's nice and hot. That's why I like using this cast iron griddle. It keeps everything warm, you know, while you're waiting on your guests. Yeah. Okay guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe and I'll catch you on the next one. Yeah, delicious Western style breakfast pizza. Boy, is that loaded with flavor.